big one goes on top. So if you can see me, which I think you can, I will do this. Now we have the frame, and then this will go in the center as such. And then you can put your sign or whatever it is you want in there. Do I have anything I can put in there? I don't think I even do. I don't have any papers here. I have the instructions. So we'll put the instructions in there. And then you put this over it to keep it nice and protected. So there we go. So that is your signboard. Oh, you guys probably can't even see most of it. But, oh, yeah, you can. Okay, but that's it there. And so it's a double-sided, so you have this side, and then you also get this side here with another plastic sheet that you can put over on this side here and put something in between as well. So if you're having an event or you need anything to have this with, you've got what you need. So pretty cool. So you can put this out at a lobby, in front of a business, whatever. It's really strong. I mean, I'm pushing on it. You know, it'll take some wind, but I wouldn't put it directly out in the wind, but it looks good. I like it. And then that's what it looks like there. I mean, these pieces aren't screwed in yet, but you get the idea. And if you really want white glove treatment, I guess I could have put the gloves on, but I'm good with my dirty hands. Thumbs up. I really like this. Good piece. YIYO. So I like it.